Hello everyone, my name is Maria Kądzielska and you are watching Poland Daily Culture. And today we're going to show you one of the most important books in the world. My today's guest is Bartłomiej Feluś, a bookseller from Manuscriptum publishing house. And you are doing something unique in the world, and you also have unique books. And my first question is, whose book we're going to show today? And that is Voynich, the name of Voynich. It's not well known, but it should be. Why?
Yes, that's correct. We are doing the facsimiles. These are the scientific copies of the most important, the crucial books for the human history and the human science. The person who you mentioned, this is Michał Voynich, which was a Polish antiquarian bookseller, one of the most famous in the world in the beginning of 20th century. And he found a book called by his name, manuscript, Voynich manuscript. He was traveling around Europe visiting Jesuits monasteries, and he found the manuscript called by his name in one of these monasteries nearby Rome. It was the beginning of 20th century. Since that time, this manuscript is not decoded. Nobody could read it. We know what is it when it was written, but nobody knows the language.
So it's a mystery. Basically, we would like to know what's inside, but the language, even with all the tools we right now have, which means computers, code breakers, they cannot break the code which is in this book, yes?
Yes, still the language is the big secret which cannot give possibility to sleep all the decoders from all around the world, starting from NSA, CIA, all the secret agencies from all around the world. Unfortunately, till today, nobody could even read one single word.
So we have absolutely no idea what's inside.
No idea. That we know something because of the illuminations from inside the book, from the pictures that are inside. But the language is still the secret. We all know this is the language. These are the letters. These are the single words. It's the alphabet. But till today, we don't know anything about the real alphabet and what is the language.
And I know that Voynich manuscript has its part. And first, we can name every single part of it. So first part is devoted to flowers, yes?
Flowers, let's say, this part is called Botanical part because there are a lot of pictures of the plants, roots, leaves, flowers. Unfortunately, nobody can describe them and nobody can call them as existing. It did not exist 600 years ago when the manuscript was written, and it is confirmed. But till today, no one of these flowers, of these plants, is recognized.
So it's a mystery as well, as if he's seen plants from the other world, I would say.
Yes,
maybe the other planet.
It's true, because the next part, called Astronomical, is even more interesting because we have the view. It's written the view of the sky, the view of the planets, stars. But it looks like it's written. It's presented not from the perspective of the Earth.
So that's really a mystery. It's really crazy.
That's why some people say that this manuscript comes from aliens. This is one of the theories.
And there's also a part of the manuscript which shows women, yes?
Mostly naked women. Some of them are pregnant. This part, some say this is a balneological part because these women, they are swimming or taking showers in the systems of water. Sometimes this system looks like it looks very strange. Different colors, blue or green color. The women are naked, but truly speaking, we don't know what is exactly.
And some of them are pregnant, some not. So maybe it's really, I mean, it's thought-provoking, it's strange, and it's really unreal, I would say. But so flowers, we don't know. Women, we don't really know what they're bathing in and why, but at least they're human women. And then later on, there are maps of planet and maps of stars.
Yes, there is one big page. This is a rosette presenting. Some says that probably this is the picture of the human cell. It cannot be from the microscope because 600 years ago the microscopes they did not exist. Nobody can say that this is the rosette presenting a cell. Some says that these are the picture of parallel words, parallel
universum in which
yes,
you can go
and there are tunnels that join these words, these universes, and it presents probably the ways how to jump from each to other.
Maybe the author was actually jumping from one to the other.
It's probably true, but the theories about that, there are a lot of theories about that. A lot of people that are engaged in decoding this manuscript, including secret services, including the scientists from all around the world. Till today, all the theories were collapsed. So till today, we don't know anything. Still, we have a book.
And just one thing. How do we know how old it is?
It was dated by the scientists with the spatial technology, and it was done a few years ago in the United States. They dated this manuscript for 600 years. That's why the whole edition of this scientific copy that we decided to publish is 600. More or less, we are at that time that there could be an anniversary of this book, and 600 years ago it was written.
It's absolutely amazing, and I do hope that the audience of Poland Daily start to think about this mystery, how to resolve it, and what actually is hidden in the Voynich manuscript. Stay for another episode because we will try at least to discover some parts of the secret. And thank you very much for watching Poland Daily Culture.